Tactical leadership is it's on the coalface. It's boots on the ground, grassroots leadership. It's in the trenches, so to speak.
Simply put, the biggest mistake many tactical leaders make is assuming the people at the top don't know what they're talking about.
Tactical leadership is difficult because when you're leading your peers, they can look at you as if you're selling out. Some might be happy for you, but overwhelmingly most look at you as almost the enemy in that initial step. That's what makes it challenging.
The biggest mistake a tactical leader could make is assuming it's all rainbows and lollipops at the top. They think corner offices, they think shiny cars. What they don't see are the 16-hour days, they don't see the 7-day weeks, they don't see the after-hour calls. Leadership sucks at all levels, it just sucks in different ways.